Hi then everyone. So the page numbers you'll need in your textbook today, we're on the red textbook now. It's page 19 and it looks like this. It says lesson 2 at the top. Okay, so we have a problem which you can see clearer in your textbook. It's telling us Charles saves this amount of money and Lulu saves this amount of money. Who saves more money? So what is the first thing we need to find out about Charles and Lulu's amounts of money first? That's right, we need to see how much they've saved first. We don't know, do we? Later today you will be receiving in your pack something that looks like this. And basically it's got the coins and it shows you how to represent each coin or note with tens or ones. So we've got a 1p and we represent a 1p with 1 1. 10p, we represent 10p with a 10 stick. 20p with 2 10 sticks. And then it does go on to the notes. For example, £10 note we can represent with 1 10 stick. 20, 10, 20, 2 10 sticks. So you can use that to help you in the future lessons after it's been delivered today. So we have got Charles. Charles, what's this note? You'll be able to see it clearer in your textbook. This note is, that's right, it's £10, so I'm going to draw a 10. He has another £10, another 10, and he has £5. So I draw 5 ones. So altogether he's got 10, 20, £25. Charles saves £25. Right, Lulu has got a £10. I'm going to draw £10. Then she's got, you see that, a £5 and another £5. What do we know that 5 and 5 make? That's right, our number bonds to 10. They make another £10. So altogether, Lulu has saved 10, 20, £20. Right, you might want to pause the video and tell me in a full sentence who saved more money. Saved more money. That's right, Charles saved more money. £25 is a bigger number, it's more money than £20. Well done. Okay, right, this time we've got Charles and Lulu. Charles and Lulu are both trying to show £70. Who is correct? So you might want to pause the video to investigate if Charles is correct or Lulu. Okay? Right, let's work this one out together. So, some of you might just be able to go 10, 20 and count on. I'm just showing the method with tens and ones in case you are not as confident in doing that and you want to draw and you can work it out in your exercise book. So, Charles, he has got over here a 10, a 10, another 10, another 10, 5 and 5 make another £10, and then £5. So, Charles has made, count with me, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55 pounds. Let's check that and count the notes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. So, has Charles shown £70? He hasn't, has he? Let's see if Lulu has shown it. She's got, we don't see very many of these. £50 and £20. If you know what 5 and 2 make, you should be able to use that to work out what 50 and 20 make. If 5 and 2 is 70, 5 tens and 2 tens must be £70. So who showed £70? That's right, Lulu. 50, 60, 70. £70. Lulu showed £70. Well done. Right, next page. Let's have a look. Right, I have made some of my own for us to practice. Can you see them? Yes, you can. So you might want to pause the video, write the amount in your book. So I have got, ignore these are for me when I can drag some of them back. Okay, we're looking at this bit, just the notes over here. So we've got a £10, £10, £10 and a £5. You might want to write the answer in your exercise book and pause the video. And let's do this together. You can draw, remember, if it helps you to work it out. I'm going to count on 10, 20, 30, £35. So we do our pound sign at the front and then £35. Well done if you got that correct. We have another amount. We have got, yeah, you can see that, £20, £20, £20, a £5 and a £5, remembering what 5 and 5 make. That's right, 5 and 5 make £10. So we've got 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, £70, £70 again. Let's see if we have another one to do. Right, we have got £50, a £10 and a £10. So remember, if you need to pause the video to do this, you can. Right, so I'm not going to draw tens for 50 because I know that's 50 I can count on. I don't need to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I know that that's £50, so I'm going to count on. So 50, 60, 70, 70, another £70. We've shown £70 in 2 different ways. Amazing. You'll be doing some more of that in future lessons. Right, your workbook page is page... Oh, sorry, we've got the guided practice to do first. Guided practice in your textbooks. You will see these a lot clearer in your textbooks. So you've got to write the amount of money shown. So we've got to count these up and write the amount of money. This one is all 6 of them. Don't get confused and just do the top row. It's all 6 notes. I would always start with the biggest note. It's always easy to start with the biggest number and then count on. This one's a tricky one. I'm not going to worry too much about this one because we'll be doing more of this in other lessons. But it wants you to show the amount of money to make £15 and £70. Give you a clue. I'm not going to go too much into it. First make £10 and then £5. Make £70 and then the 5. You also receive one of these in your pack where it's got notes and things, so you can cut them out and you can use them to make amounts and just practice making amounts at home in any spare time you've got. But for now, if you just draw them and then in your exercise book, and I'll see them in there. When you've done that, your page, it's only one page today, it's page 22. It says page 22 on your red plan. Monday, the 1st of February, it will say workbook, page 22 in the nice new red ones. It's just one page. It's a bit trickier. Why is this a bit trickier? It's because it's in black and white. It's not in colour, so you have to look really carefully at the numbers written on the notes. Okay, and write the totals in these boxes. Be careful though. A, B and C are in rows. D, you've got 2 rows to count. And E, you've got 3 rows to count. Please send photos of your work on your portfolios. Thank you.